May 17, 2024. A severe weather event struck the Bulolo area, unleashing an unprecedented downpour that led the Bulolo River to burst its banks, inundating nearby communities, disrupting businesses, and devastating infrastructure. In less than 12 hours, a week's worth of rain poured down, flooding rivers and creeks and triggering widespread chaos across the region. The sudden surge of water from the swollen river swept through several communities along its path, submerging homes, businesses, and critical roadways. The destruction has left hundreds of residents displaced, with many families forced to evacuate as water levels rose dangerously high, overwhelming properties and washing away personal belongings. Local reports indicate that key roads have been severely damaged, hampering transport and isolating affected areas from essential services. The flooding has also disrupted commerce, with some businesses forced to close as workers and community members prioritize the urgent need for safety and recovery. Emergency services and relief organizations have since mobilized to assist in the region. Teams of emergency responders arrived shortly after the worst of the floodwaters receded, providing critical support in the form of temporary shelters, medical assistance, and food supplies for displaced residents. The quick action of emergency responders and local volunteers has brought some relief to those affected, but the journey to full recovery is expected to be long and challenging. According to weather officials, this flooding event serves as a stark reminder of the impact of extreme weather patterns in the region, particularly as the area continues to see fluctuations in seasonal rainfall. Recovery efforts are underway, with community leaders and aid agencies working together to ensure those affected have the support they need during this challenging time.